In today's video, we're going to look at 11 little known features that people know about their Model 3 and why, and we're starting right now. And a special shout out to today's sponsors, which are that subscribe, like, and share button. Make sure you take care of all three. So for real, let's get started right to the video. Now you can move your passenger seat in your Tesla Model 3 and Y without reaching all the way over to the other side. And this is how you can do that. And it's super simple. We're going to come right over to the car menu, come here where it says seats, press on that, and now you have the seat menu. And whenever I press the arrow going back, it's going all the way back. And the cool thing is, not only is it moving back, the back part is moving as well. If we come up, you can see the seat right here is sliding, but also the back is starting to sit all the way up. And it's also great that you can operate all of the heat warmers right here as well, even the driver and passenger seat. Have you ever went on a road trip, you reach your destination and you're only at 5 or 8%? That happens to me all the time. That's no longer the case with your Tesla Model 3 and Y, because now you can set your arrival energy right on the car. So the car will stop you along the way to ensure that you reach your destination at that ideal energy charge. Just say if I want to reach my destination at 65%, it's going to schedule my trip in order to reach it up. Just say we want to go to Tesla Giga, Texas. Now, down here at the bottom, we're going to click on the three dots and you should see where it says set arrival energy. Just say we want to get there at, just say 55%. Now we're going to save. And what's going to happen is now it's going to adjust all of the superchargers. This ensures that I reach my destination at 55%. Teslas are great cars for new drivers, especially if you have a teenager out there. And the reason that I say that is because Tesla has parental controls that's integrated into the system. I'm going to come over here to the car menu. We're going to go where it says safety, and we're going to scroll down on safety midway where it says parental controls, and we're going to turn it on. You can see now you can set the speed limit, the max speed limit, whoever is driving the car, reduce acceleration, require additional safety features, and we're talking about speed limit, forward collision, automatic emergency braking that cannot be modified. And I love this. It will also send curfew notifications. So it will send curfew notifications to the parent whenever the car is being driven. I have it between 11 and 4 a.m. And not to mention that you know where your car is at all times anyway. It's so much that's on the Tesla that makes this a great learning car for the teenage driver. And if you scroll down from the parental controls in the safety menu, you also have automatic 911 calls. So your Tesla will automatically call 911 if the airbags is deployed. Just want to let y'all know, I really do appreciate y'all watching these videos and sharing the videos, because I was over at the Tesla Service Center the other week taking delivery of my wife's Model X, and I had a subscriber to come up to me and ask me a few questions about preconditioning and also scheduling your car by a specific time at a specific location. Thank you so much for subscribing, by the way. So I'm going to get in the car and show you how you will precondition your car at a certain time in a certain location, and also schedule your charging at a certain time in a certain location. All right, so let's go on and get in the car here. And I am going to come right here to the car menu, click on where it says schedule. And from schedule, you see already you have a specific location, current location, your home or your work. You can do all of that right here. And also you can precondition your battery, and this will adjust your cabin temperature and warm your battery by a certain time. So just say if I want Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, repeat every week, and just say whatever time you want, and you would just create that schedule. Now, let's look at the charging. With charging, you can see that every day it's repeating already at 11:59 p.m. That's when my car begins to charge. And I do have this set up to start charging at home. And I clicked on create schedule. So you can start charging at a certain time and you can end it by a certain time. And there's your days of the week. And if you want to repeat that, that's how you would do that. And after you create those schedules, the only thing that you will do at that point is click on create. And you can also do all of this as well through the app on your phone under the schedule tab. And also under your service menu, you have a maintenance tab now, and it will log all of your maintenance for your car. Like you can see right now, my tire rotation is overdue, and it will tell you the interval, and you can record whenever that's taking place. So there's no more second guessing when things are due on your car and your service request. If you click on the service request, it's just going to give you directions on how to set that up through the mobile app. Now, this next feature may seem very self-explanatory, but believe it or not, a lot of people don't know how to lock and unlock their car whenever you're in the Tesla, especially on the screen. So this is how you would do this. We're going to come right on the screen, and there's a lock icon right there. Do you see it? It might be a little bit blurry. Okay, I think it's starting to focus. I'm going to press it one time, and you're going to hear one beep for lock. And I'm going to press it another time, and you're going to hear two beeps for unlock. There's a feature in your car that will automatically turn down the radio in your car whenever you put your car in reverse, and you will have to set that up. This is a great safety feature, and that way you can actually hear your surroundings as you're backing up in your car. So I'm turning up the radio, and I have talk radio going because I don't want a copyright strike. But once I put my car in reverse,
this person's filling it with.
the car automatically turned down, and now we are backing up. As you can see, we're in reverse. And after we stop, I'm going to put the car in park.
What can we do to
The radio is now turning right back up. And to set this up from your car menu, I'm going to go right here to safety. And safety, I'm going to go close to the bottom here. And where you see lower volume in reverse, you're just going to make sure that's turned on. And your left scroll wheel here on your steering wheel has many functions. So all that we're going to do is we're going to come right here to the car menu, go over here where it says display, and from display, you have scroll wheel functions. Ask each time, or you can set your scroll wheel to control the temperature, fan speed, wiper speed, fold mirrors, brightness, save dash cam, acceleration, steering wheel, heating, camera. Look, it's so much stuff on here. Even the dome lights, the glove box, the camera, and it can do so much right from this one button. And what you're going to do is give it a long press. Once you give it a long press, the menu is going to come up over here, and you can toggle between what you would like to control. And that's pretty much it. So that's my Model Y over there. Here on the app, I'm going to have it to come to target. So I'm just going to press and hold. The car is prepping, and the car is now moving to come over here to pick me up. So you see it's over there, and there is so much that you can do with FSD and autopilot features. This is a part of the premium connected package, and I'll tell you more about that in the video right over there. And there are other features about your Tesla that not even Tesla owners know about. And I'll tell you all about that in the bottom video. Be sure you subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video. And I will see you in the next video.